welcome to Metal Math. Be with you in just a second. Okay, today we're going to do lesson 12.4, customary units of volume. Okay, now volume does not refer to sound level, like here with the old guitar, right? Volume, how much an object can hold, okay, in liquid. Okay, so our essential question is, how can you use models to compare customary units of liquid volume? If you go to Think Central on the Go Math, look at page 659. They're going to give you a big table that I just could not draw out. Right? It was just too much. So I drew something else for you that's going to make it a little easier for you to remember. But if you look right here on that page, there's the big table I'm talking about. I just don't think my paper was big enough to fit that whole table in there. Okay, so today's Unlock the Problem. It says liquid volume is the measurement of space a liquid occupies. Some basic units for measuring liquid volume are gallons, half gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. Okay, and the bar model that I just showed you, it shows the relationship among those units of liquid volume. Okay, and the largest one we're going to use is gallons. The smallest one is going to be fluid ounces. Okay, so first of all, if you have a gallon and you cut it in half, you have half a gallon, two of them. Okay, 2 half gallons equal 1 whole. The little model that I drew for you doesn't deal with half gallons. So just always remember, if you have a whole, 2 halves equal 1 whole. Okay? So it says here, how does the size of a gallon compare to the size of a quart? Okay, and what they did for you here is basically they drew you an old bar model. See down there, we have 1 gallon. And underneath it, if you notice, a gallon can be broken up into 4 quarts. Okay, and if we shade in 1 quart, and then we shade in 1 gallon, we notice that 1 gallon would equal 4 quarts. Okay, so basically a gallon is 4 times as much as a quart, or 4 times greater than 1 quart. Okay, now I'm going to show you the little model I've drawn here. It's called the gallon model. And if you take a look at the board over here, what I've done is I've drawn a big G for you. Okay, you notice that there? It's a big G in purple. And if you notice, inside of the G, there are 4 Q's, which stand for quarts. So if our gallon is in purple, then we have our blue quarts. There are 4 of them. Then if you notice, inside each quart, there are 2 P's. P stands for pint. So there's 2 pints in each quart. Okay? Inside of each P, there are 2 red C's. Those stand for cups. 2 cups equals 1 pint. And if you notice, inside of each red C, I drew the number 8 because there are 8 fluid ounces in each cup. Can I remember last time we dealt with ounces when we were talking about weight and pounds? The difference here is these are what we call fluid ounces. Okay, and that's the difference. So if you look over here, here are your conversions. We have 1 gallon, which would equal 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups, or 128 fluid ounces. Okay, and I like to draw the big G there. Some people call him King Gallon or Gallon Guy. You're going to do Gallon Guy next year. But easy way to remember your measurements. Just think of it, a gallon, 4 quarts, 8 pints, and so on. Okay? And that's an easy way for you to keep a model in your head to help you out whenever we have to do conversions for liquid volume. Okay? Hope that was helpful. Hope you're doing well. And we'll be back again with another video lesson before you know it. Okay? Have a good day.